Wuilt Website Builder Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Wuilt is a user-friendly website builder designed primarily for individuals and small businesses seeking a quick, code-free way to create professional-looking websites. Its standout feature is simplicity. Wuilt offers a highly intuitive drag-and-drop interface, pre-designed templates, and seamless hosting integration. This platform caters especially to users who lack technical expertise but still want a functional, visually appealing website. Features include customizable templates, built-in SEO tools, e-commerce functionality, and mobile optimization, ensuring your site looks great on all devices. Additionally, Wuilt provides multi-language support, making it ideal for businesses targeting diverse audiences. However, it's not without limitations. While the simplicity of the platform is a strength, it may feel restrictive for advanced users or those needing highly customized designs. The range of templates, although stylish, is relatively limited compared to competitors like Wix or Squarespace. Moreover, while the e-commerce tools are solid for basic online stores, they lack the advanced functionalities required by larger-scale operations, such as complex inventory management or multi-channel integrations. Wuilt's pricing is competitive, and it offers straightforward plans that include hosting and domain options, making it a cost-effective choice for beginners or small-scale projects. However, scalability could be an issue for growing businesses. Users looking for a more robust website with extensive integrations or custom coding might find Wuilt's capabilities insufficient. Overall, Wuilt is perfect for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small business owners who prioritize ease of use and speed over advanced customization. If you need a simple, professional website quickly and don't want to deal with complex tools or hire a developer, Wuilt is a strong contender. However, if you're looking for deep customization, a vast template library, or advanced e-commerce tools, you may want to explore other options.